To view the air conditioning options, tap the air conditioning tile in the My Škoda app. Select Air Conditioning. Now you can adjust the temperature incrementally using the slider, or adjust it to your liking by tapping the plus or minus buttons. You also have the option of choosing between electric and auxiliary heating, if your vehicle is equipped with one. Tap Start to initiate. If your car is equipped with window heating, this can also be controlled via the app. Simply click on Window Heating and press Start. We wish you a smart ride with remote air conditioning and hope you're enjoying your new Škoda.
Škoda. Simply clever.